Welkom bij this new episode of Meet the Expert. I'm Joep, Meijer, Senior Product Manager at Vanderlande, and today we are here at the newest facility in Italy, one of our key customers in e-commerce. I'm here together with Erik Vonk, who is our Product Manager for Conveying.
Yeah, welcome, and let's head inside.
Yes, looking forward to it.
So we'll have a look at how innovation and sustainability go hand in hand with one another and see how our latest conveyor technology reduces the impact on the environment and how it makes working conditions better.
Let's go inside.
One of our latest developments that we have is the Belt and Roller 2.0. Mainly differences are the noise reduction that we have, the fewer components that we have within the system, but also the energy consumption that it has. And we have installed it actually here within the site. So we need to grab our stairs and have a look.
Okay.
So here we are with the Belt and Roller 2.0, which is our latest development. And here we do the side-by-side test on the side. So here we have the Belt and Roller 1.0 and the Belt and Roller 2.0. And also here you can clearly see the differences. So there it's still an open design. You can see the rollers on the outside where noise can escape. Here it's fully enclosed. That captures the noise inside. So that's already reducing the noise levels that we have. And also with the design that we have over here, we have fewer components. And therefore we were also able to reduce the weight by approximately 60%, which makes it more economically for the installation, but also from the maintenance perspective.
So how does this impact the maintenance activities on site?
So the idea of this one is to be swap and replaced. So it's connected with 4 bolts. You unbolt them, you unplug from the motor controller, you get the faulty unit out, a new cassette you will put in, connect again with the 4 bolts and the controller. And then it runs in approximately 4 minutes again. And then the faulty cassette you take to your workshop in order to repair.
So that's really also a decrease in downtime compared to the BOR 1.0 where you had to do the maintenance activities inline.
Yeah, that's correct.
All right. Looks like a great product. Looking forward to see it fully implemented onto the future projects.
Yes, we'll deploy them soonly.
Erik, another important factor for our customers is noise, for both sustainability and employee well-being. How do we integrate that into this system?
Yeah, so what we have over here, we have integrated the low noise 75 drive, which is a compact drive that fits underneath our conveyor. And this one now actually goes up to 22 meters instead of what we have with the standard 75 drive going up to 12 meters. So with that we can build longer conveyors, reduce the footprint and reduce the amount of drives that we need throughout our system. Where we usually had our 200 drive to cover the distance, which as you can see is a much bigger drive, consumes more energy but also produces higher noise emissions.
And how does the low noise drive then reduce the noise level?
So that's what we have interchanged the timing belt with the poly V belt, which makes a huge difference towards the noise emissions.
So in the previous vlog we also covered the IE5 motor reducers. Those are also integrated in this drive, right?
Yeah, so the low noise drive uses the IE5 motors, which do not require a reducer and therefore reduces noise emissions, but also uses less energy.
And it's not only in this drive that we have integrated IE5 motors, right? It's throughout the site.
Yes, exactly. We have this drive throughout our whole facility, and as you can imagine with a facility this size, it makes a huge impact on your energy bill eventually.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. So what else are we doing on sustainability and reduction of noise level in these kind of systems?
Electrification is a big part of our portfolio goals what we have today, and that's what we can see over here. So as just mentioned, the electrification, one of the exciting new developments that we have. Here we have a truck sorter which still uses pneumatics, but we now have a new development called the steerable wheel module, which is going to replace the truck sorter. and it increases actually the conveyability. It reduces the noise that we have, but also reduces the energy consumption that you have. And due to the system itself, it is a safe system. You also don't need the fencing that you see over here for a similar application.
And this innovation is driven by a workstream that we have together with the customer to drive sustainability developments and integrate those into these systems, right?
Yeah, so our customers are constantly looking into sustainable solutions. So one of the things is really reducing noise and energy consumption, and that's why we came up with this new development.
Thank you very much, Erik, for showing these sustainability initiatives here on this site. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, pleasure was all mine, and also thanks to the customer letting us in and being able to show you guys around.
It's clear that sustainability is not just a buzzword, but it's really our daily practice.
Yeah, and we keep continuing on our development, so that's much more to come.
Yeah, great to hear. Looking forward to that. Thank you all for watching Meet the Expert. See you next time.